Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here are all of the fire alarms that were in my school since kindergarten. The fire alarms in my elementary school were Edwards EST 892, electronic horn strobes with the dual fire lettering on the lens. That was what the majority of the alarms were. And in the library of that school, it was an Edwards EST 792 pre-integrity horn strobe. And outside, it was the regular EST integrity horn strobe. And in the modular were Edwards EST Genesis horn strobes. And outside, Edwards EST Integrity remote horns. When the building got renovated, the 892 got replaced with the white circular ceiling mount EST Genesis horn strobes, with still integrity on the outside. And the pull stations in that school were Edwards EST 270 SPO, the ones that have the pull in case of fire text on the pull bar, so it tells you to only pull it if there is a fire. And a glass rod that breaks when someone pulls the fire alarm to provide evidence. My middle school, the same thing. My high school, mixture of Edwards EST Integrity horn strobes and Edwards EST Genesis horn strobes. My elementary school's fire alarms were and outside was That's right. The integrity was once on continuous. And majority of EST integrity horn strobes go eh, 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 eh. Yep. And stoppers over our pull stations to prevent fire alarm pranks. The stoppers have an alarm that sounds when you lift them, because that alarm is there to prevent a student from causing a false fire alarm, because that alarm draws a lot of attention to the principal or school security that some student is about to cause trouble by pulling the alarm as a prank. they will either run away or put it back because the person is looking at it. A lot of people think when they lift a stopper in a real fire emergency, they'll think that once the stopper is lifted, the fire alarm will go off. That is not the case. Folks, if there is a real fire, make sure you lift the stopper and you pull the box on the inside. Only lifting the stopper does not cause the fire alarm system to activate. Bye.